Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Yongther hair. Big shout out to Yongther hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have these Yankee twist hair. They sent over a number of packs in the description box, but it was a lot, and this is the hair. I've never ever done this type of style before. We will be crocheting this hair in. So this is what they call a Yankee twist, and I'm not sure what the whole Yankee thing means, but I get the twist aspect because it looks curly, but then when you look at it closer, it looks like a twist of some sort. It's really pretty. I was very skeptical about this hairstyle. Like, this has been a year where I've been trying everything with my hair, like things that I typically wouldn't do. So I was very skeptical about this. I had no idea how this was going to look. I watched so many videos of other ladies on YouTube doing the style. I will link the one that I found the most helpful in my description box as well, because that helped with this install. So one install that I watched that I took a lot from was, I'll link that at the top of the list, but she had her hair braided in diagonal cornrows going back, and they were pretty big, so I decided to use that method, and I'm basically pushing the crochet needle under the braid, and then I take the top of the Yankee twist right in that loop and I put that into the latch hook of the crochet needle. Once I latch the hook closed, I pull that through the braid, and then I take the needle, stick it all the way through the loop at the top of the Yankee twist, grab the middle of the hair and pull it through that loop. So right here I'm latching it on to the hair and I'm going to pull it through that loop, and that's how I secure it. Depending on how long you're going to keep this style in, you can definitely knot it again. I did see a lot of girls knot the hair after the initial loop, but I decided to just loop it, and that was secure enough for me. So at first I wasn't sure why they sent me so many packs of hair, but once I started to install this, I realized why this style does require a lot of hair, because you want to make sure you conceal and camouflage any parts or gaps or open spaces. Especially since my braid foundation was on the bigger side, I wanted to make sure that everything was super full. So I was crocheting and hooking the hair in very, very close to each other, not on top of each other, but right next to each other. And I just went all the way back to the back of my head and I did the same thing. So it's a consistent motion, just continuously hooking it through, looping it, and pulling it through. And I really do like the way this looks. I didn't think I was gonna like this. I hated it. But after the shaping, I love it. This is the color up close. It is a tri ombre, so it starts off in a dark, look like a natural black 1B, then it goes into a brown, and then the end of it is like this number 30 color, I want to say. Super pretty color transition. I love this color, and I love the fact that this is super affordable. So this company is on Amazon, so I will have all the links in the description box in case you are interested. You can place your order on Amazon. You can also watch tons of other reviews, because that's what I did before I install this hair. So I'm going to continue to do the same thing and move along, and I will come back a little later.
She get it from mama say you fuck right. Body rude is fun, but like, don't be in the home type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Posing who chicks left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm having sin. Sex game go stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection reflection in the mirror, don't be lying. I can't even lie. I put that on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. What you think this time? Wanna speak your mind? I know somebody's lying. It's always something. Her auntie told your cousin, then all your homies jumping. How the whole was buzzing. He said, she said, don't let it get in here. Baby, don't say something that you will regret. I'm on your team. It's us against them, you see. Hey, we ain't gon' stop. They just want what we got. The more they talk about it, the more they make it obvious. The more they seem so envious. Hey.
So here I have made it to the other side, and as you can see, I'm just continuously doing the same thing, looping it through and pulling it to secure it. And I did style my edges a little at the very end, and I felt like that brought the look together. And I did add pieces of the crochet hair in between those braids. So right here you can see it, you get a better look. I started to add some pieces in just to make it look fuller. So here I'm finishing up. I'm just adding in more pieces because I wanted it to look full and I didn't want any noticeable gaps.
When it comes to what we do, all that matters is us two. Don't pay them no mind. We just gon' show and prove. More they talk about it, hey. More they make it obvious. More they seem so
And you can just add as you go, and then I fluff the hair out. This is what it looks like when it's all done. I will do a little bit of shaping and trimming. You can leave it like this if you like that look, but I just felt like it needed to be a little bit more polished, so I started to cut. I was trying my hardest not to go scissor happy because that is very easy to do, and that can take you to a whole nother look. So I just went trim as I went along until I was satisfied. This is what it looks like up close in the front, and I love that you're not sure what's going on here. Like, is this her hair? Is this midsole? What is this? And this is after refreshing makeup done. I'm loving the way this is coming together. I'm still cutting at this point as I go, and I'm just showing you some different styles. You can wear it on different sides, side part, deep side part, middle part. Yeah. I love the versatility of this hair. So I will have all the links down in the description box. I'm going to flip it back over because I preferred it on the other side. But yeah, I'm going to have all the links down below. Big thank you to Yongther Hair, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.